who's ready for an unboxing? Now, I placed an order with my Handmade space for some vinyl and other fun things, and I'm going to show you what I got. So I've opened the box, but I haven't actually gotten anything out, so I haven't seen this. Here we go. Pull out the first thing. Okay, this first thing, I believe, is a printed, quilted vinyl. All right, it's thin-ish. Wouldn't say it's really heavy. It's got a nice backing to it, but it is super cute. Not sure what I'll use it for, but yeah, I like it a lot. This is sunflower jelly vinyl. I've never used jelly vinyl before, but oh my gosh, I love the way it feels. It is a lovely color. What do we have here? This is champagne pearl vinyl. I'm very excited about this. I saw this on the website and fell in love with it. It's super pretty. This is the back side, and this is the front. Isn't that lovely? It's a nice, I would say, not a pink champagne, but like a beige or taupe even champagne color, but it's very, as it says, it's pearl, so it's got a shine to it that is lovely. All right, so this is a clear glitter vinyl. You could see. Oh boy, that's cute. That's fun. That is nice and heavy. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. I love it. We've got another vinyl. This is a bronze pearl, so it's similar to the champagne, except a different color. I like these because they give some kind of like a bling, but they're also neutral, so you can wear them with a lot of things. So here's the difference between the champagne and the bronze. And I'm going to be real honest, it's not much different. This one, the champagne is slightly lighter, as you can see in the video here. This one's a little more, it's darker, a little more gold, so a little more browns in that, but they're both beautiful. All right, now I've got this. Look at this beauty. This is a cork vinyl. So it looks like cork, but it's vinyl. It's got a fleece backing. It's a nice drapey. It's really nice. Looks like cork, but is actually vinyl. Isn't that pretty? Something new to me right here. I have never used liquid vinyl. It's something that I've seen. I'm excited to try it. It says oil cloth effect. It's waterproof and it's stain resistant. So this is something I am looking forward to trying. Maybe on a cotton fabric of mine. It says it's a gel coating. Let's open it and see what it looks like. So it is very like, it looks like glue. I'd love to know other people's experiences who have tried this, but it definitely looks like a glue. I'm excited to give that a little bit of a try. All right, now I also bought some other things here. I've got a little bag of fabric and hardware. The first one I'm going to pull out is really, really cute. This is called Daydreamer Macaw Ya Later. So it's a great print with birds on it. I see this as a lining to a bag, but isn't that cute? So this one here I love. It's a home decor fabric. And I believe it's Riley Blake. It's a Mercantile Cherish is what it's called, home decor. I got a half a yard of it. This will be a great bag. I love that it looks quilted. It looks like a quilt. I love the all the variation in the prints on it. It's so pretty. I stayed with that same line, the Mercantile line, and it's called Vintage Advice, and it's home decor. I got another half a yard of that. And it's super fun. If you look at it, it's just like, looks like stamps. And they each stamp has like a little vintage advice. So you have, life is a matter of living it. To have a friend, you must be one with a B. A man works from sun to sun, and woman's work is never done. So the whole thing is covered in little old school vintage advice, and it's super, super cute. I'm excited to use this for an upcoming pattern release. This will be really cool. So I've got some really cool fabrics that would work with the rose gold, and I don't have any rose gold hardware. So I want to make a purse, so I got some rose gold. Oh my gosh, this little baggie is tiny. Tiny 3/4 inch rose gold D-rings. They are super pretty. And then I got, I'm very excited about this, a rose gold purse strap chain version. So I don't know if you can see that. I also got one two in gunmetal. These are just like for purses. One of the things I love about making straps that have your swivel clips on them is that you can interchange them from bag to bag. That's what I love about these. I love about the ones that I make. And they're not just attached to the bag. I can change them out and switch up the look of the bag. So that's all I got. Handmade Space, or My Handmade Space. Check it out. You won't regret it. There's stuff on sale all of the time. They have everything you could possibly need for bag making.